If you're playing around with Ordinal Inscriptions, Sparrow Wallet is the wallet that will give you the most control over your transactions. That being said, it is a little bit more complicated than some of the other wallets, but let's learn how to set it up. Go to sparrowwallet.com/download, select the relevant release for your operating system. Mine was a Mac. I hit download, save, drag the Sparrow into applications, then find it in your applications and double click to open. You will get a series of introduction messages explaining the status bar. This is important, so read it. However, I'm going to make a second part that explains how to use Sparrow. Read and next, next, next. This is the last screen. You're going to hit later or offline mode. Now your screen is going to look like this. Go to File, New Wallet. The default setting should look like this. You're going to want to change the script type, so click, and be sure to select Taproot. New or imported software wallet. You're going to be using mnemonic words. You can use 24, which is more secure, but this is a tutorial. So I click to expand and I'm going to use 12 here. Once you select, it will look like this. Hit Generate New. A seed phrase will then appear, and do not screenshot it. Obviously, I'm never going to use this wallet. You can also create a passphrase for extra security. I didn't because this is a tutorial. Only once you've written it down with a pen, hit Confirm Backup. You'll get this pop-up to reconfirm you have indeed written your seed phrase down. Re-enter words. You will type in your seed phrase, but there will also be a list of options of words that come up. Once you're done, hit Create Key Store, Import Key Store. And I know you're not screenshotting this or doing it anywhere public, but this is also super important to keep private. Apply. You'll get this pop-up to add a password for your wallet. You should do it. Make one longer than this, then confirm. Set password. And now your Sparrow wallet is set up. Now, Sparrow wallet is optimized for security, so you should be generating a new receive address every single time. If you go to receive, here's the address. You can also add a label so you remember what you were supposed to receive. And to get a new receiving address, you just hit Get New Address. There is no limit to addresses. Now there's a ton of nuance and information that you need to understand how to use Sparrow wallet. But learning this can also help you learn a lot more about how Bitcoin and any transactions involving inscriptions, especially how UTXOs work. So I will do a part 2 soon, but I needed Sparrow wallet for some stuff with cursed inscriptions and thought I'd bring you along for the journey. As always, let me know if you have any questions.